Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In last tutorial we have seen how to model this flange. In this tutorial we are going to see how to model this shaft and taper. For that, first go to the Creo software and keep this file left side. Now we are going to model the shaft by seeing this front view and side view. Shaft, it has a length of more length, but they are not given the dimension of this one. We'll take a total length of 150 or 170. Here they have given 90, so remaining we will give 100. So just go for new solid part, untick this default, use default template, save OK. Our units are in mm, choose mm part solid absolute, save OK. Switch on all the planes and axes. I'm just taking the front plane, sketch view. Now the diameter of the shaft is, here they have given 45. So take a circle, just create a circle, press the roller to confirm. The diameter is 45. Go for fit screen, save OK, go for extrude. Here we make it symmetric. The total length is, we make it 190. This dimension I just given as 100. So this 90 they have given, just 190. Save OK. Now I have created the shaft. Then we just want to create this keyway cut. For that, the cut starts from 39.5 from the bottom edge. We can use this mid plane. The diameter is 45, so the radius will be, just go for calculator, 45 divided by 2, that is the radius of 22.5. We need to minus this 22.5 from the 39.5 because our plane is in the mid side. So we make it 39.5 minus 22.5 will get 17. So we need to move this plane 17 mm from here. So select this plane, go for plane, this direction, we need to move it as 17 mm, save OK. Now take this plane, sketch view. Any one outside we can draw it. First to take the reference, this one and this one. Then close it. First take a circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter of the circle is 14, so make it 14. Take a line from here to here, press the roller, and from here to here, then close the sketch, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Go for delete segments, delete these unwanted segments. Now we need to define the height, which is 90 mm. So from dimension, from here to this edge, the dimension is 90. Now we have set all the dimension. Just say OK. Then go for extrude. This side. Here we make it 2 next. Material removal. Save OK. Now we have created the keyway cut. Here you can see it has some rounds. So just do the round of 3 mm. Here also. Just go for round. Here, which is 3 mm. Now just cancel it. Yes. This is in this way only. Here we need to make a chamber which is 2 into 45. Go for chamber. Select this edge. The chamber is 2 into 45. So here we change into 45 into D. The D is 2. Just save OK. Now we have created the shaft. Now we can save this file. Go for file, save as, save a copy. The same location. The second component is shaft. Just save it. Then go for file, close. Now we'll create the third component, which is tapper key. Just go for new, part solid, untick this use default template, save OK. Our units are in mm, so just choose ns part solid absolute, save OK. Tapper key I'm just taking for front plane, sketch view, take a center line, press the roller to confirm, take a line, press the roller. Now the total length is 80, fit screen. Now take a line again, incline line, close it, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. The height is they have given here is 14, so this dimension is 14. This dimension they are not given, instead they have given a tapper is 1:100. The same way we need to calculate. The simple way of calculating distance from this point to this point, height is 1/100 into length, that is 0.8. Just go for calculator, 1/100, that is the tapper ratio, into 80. You will get the height of from this point to this point. If you want to get this height only, you just minus this height from this 0.8. So what we can, this is 14 means this dimension will be 14 minus 0.8. 14 minus 0.8, that is 13.2. No, this height is 9 mm, so this height is 9 mm, and this height is same way only 1.9 mm, so 9 minus 0.9, that is 8.1 mm. This height is 9 mm, width only 14 mm, so just save OK. Then go for extrude, make it symmetric, the width is 14 mm, just rotate it, just save OK. Now we have created the tapper. For assembly, for easy identification, I'm just going to give a color. For that, just go for view, any color you take. This surface is the flat surface and this surface is the long surface. Press the Ctrl and select both the surfaces and click this blue color again. Now we have given the color. Now just save this file. Go for file, save as, save a copy. The third component, tapper key, just save. Now we have done two components here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. In next video, we'll see how to model this M12 nut and bolt. Thank you.